Go ahead, day, go ahead, day. The sun is shining brightly down on us today. And it's a lovely day today, go ahead, day. I cannot imagine I wanna hear the day, go ahead, day. It's a lovely, lovely day, when you're with a friend you like a lot, indeed. It could not be any more important. Go ahead, day, go ahead, day. The sun is shining brightly down on. This is a story about 5 friends. They lived on a bird planet, what they called that, because they had big birds on it, but they were lost, and they did not know how to get home. These are their stories. It was a lovely day today on the bird planet. It was a lovely day. They got up and they had breakfast. For breakfast they had fruit, and it was delicious. Dave said, it's nice to have fresh water in the cave. Jackie said, yeah, but we have to boil it, right? Dave said, yeah, because it's not really clean, right? The only way that get it clean is to boil it. Jackie said, yeah. Basically, daytime turned to nighttime, so what they thought. It was nighttime what they thought, but then they looked at their wall. It was still evening. Even if it was dark out. Why was the time stuck this way? They did not know. They said, what are we supposed to do? Our watches show what time it would be already in the evening, but it's dark out. Do you think there's something that's wrong with our watches? Jackie said, how about we think of better we can start it out tomorrow? Dave said, yeah, let's do that. It was the next day, and when they woke up and when they got out of the cave, they noticed something. It was still dark out. They looked at the wall, and Saul said what time it would have been in the evening. They could not figure out why this is. They basically came to the conclusion that it wasn't that there was something wrong with their watch. There was something wrong going on now. They basically could not figure out why was it still dark out. Why did their watches say what time it would have been if it was the evening? They could not figure it out. Basically what they did was they split up in groups, and each group was going to try to figure out why the watch said it was the evening, why it was dark out, and this is what they were going to do. Dave said, so what do we have here? Jackie said, what is it? Dave said, I'll pick it up. And then the things are saying, take me to the palace, take me to the palace. Jackie said, do you think we should listen to it? They said, okay, let's listen to it, we'll take it to the palace. Jackie said, do you know where the palace is? The thing said, I'll show you, I'll show you. They said, okay, let's let him show us. When they returned the thing to where it was supposed to be, suddenly something happened. Basically, daylight was returned back to the land, and when Dave and Jackie looked at their watch, it was the right time. It was the morning, and they were happy. Later that day, Dave and Kiss liked to ride the bird for fun, and they did have fun that day. They did have fun. Dave was basically looking at the sky and little open, and suddenly he started singing to himself. I look upon the sea, as I look upon the sky, I am myself, will we get home? I ask myself this very simple question indeed. Do you think we'll ever find our way back home? And every single time, I hope indeed, and I hope with all my heart indeed. After Dave was finished singing, he noticed something. It was starting to rain, so he said he'd better get inside the cave before I get all soaking wet. Thankfully, they were in the cave and they could hear the rain and the wind, but they were dry, and basically what they did was that they sat around and they self-liked a bit, and had fun. Basically, nighttime came, but they were always asleep because they were tired. And that's basically the way the story ends for now. The sun is shining brightly down on us today, and it's a lovely day today, a gorgeous day indeed. I cannot imagine what a nice day is there. A day, a gorgeous day indeed. It's a lovely, lovely day indeed. When you're with a friend you like a lot indeed. He could not